If you are in the market for an awesome utility cart with wheels, you are gonna absolutely love this. This is the Pipishell 3-tier rolling cart. The brand did send me this to do a video review, and I absolutely love it. It was super easy to put together. You get all the tools you need to put it together as well. It is on wheels, which makes it super easy. Everything screws in, so it's super sturdy, as you can see here. You could even lock the wheels if you wanted, and the coolest part about this is you also have this top right here. So you could put a laptop. I've seen people put flowers and vases or whatever you want. So you put everything down here, and then you also have this as well. No worries if you don't want to use this, because it kind of just comes off and on nice and easy. So you could either do it 3 like this, or you could just pop this on really easy, just like that. This is super sturdy as well. You are looking for a great utility cart that's easy to assemble, put together, and offers a good bit of storage. Could not recommend this one enough.